Upon arriving at our phone's homepage, you will notice a clear display of your apps. For the purpose of this video, we will utilize the Chrome app. When you select the Chrome, after selecting this Chrome app, simply tap the circular button to return to the home page. Now that you're in the home page, the next point of action you want to take is to choose the second app you wish to use in split screen mode. Afterwards, press the home button to go back to the home page, followed by the squared shape button just close the home page. Immediately you click on this squared shape button, and a list of recently used apps is displayed on the phone screen. Just at the top of the app, you will find an icon similar to the equal to sign. If you press and hold on to this icon, the first app will be minimized, allowing you to select the second app. Then you can just click on the second app and boom, you have your aim of splitting the screen.